Hello and welcome back to Put to Practice Cooking. As you can see, I got some new gear on. This I got because I've been cooking so much, I might as well have a chef's hat at this point. Got the logo on it. This is kind of like a mascot of sorts. My buddy, the same person who made the logo, he got it for me as a gift. I thought it was kind of interesting. Trying it out, see how it goes. So anyway, today we are going to be making lemon bars. This is a recipe that my landlord David gave me. I believe he said it was a family recipe. I could be wrong, or just one he just found really good. Either way, never made lemon bar before, so this should be good. He also has his own lemon tree that he gave me a bunch of lemons for as well. So I thought it was kind of perfect. Man, I got it. And with how many lemons he's given me, I got like a big freezer full of lemon juice and zest. So I think I'm gonna be making a lot of stuff with lemons lately. So it's all good. Okay, let's get started. All right, so to get started, we are going to be putting in some 2 cups of flour and I believe a half cup of powdered sugar. Then we're just gonna sift that in here real quick. All right, so we got it nice and sifted. So now we have a cup of butter that we cut into cubes. Throw that right in there. Right now we're basically making the crust of the lemon bars. There goes the stove, so we'll be ready once we're got our batter made. Let's hope this works. It's doing what the recipe follows. All right, let's lock that in and start the mixing. I think that's okay. Just so weird just to use just butter. You would think you would I mean, to be honest, I thought you would use melted butter, but I guess I'd follow the recipe, so. All right, we'll call that a win, I guess. Maybe it's meant to help more evenly distribute it once you get it into the. Fuck, that scared me. There you go. All right. So here's our pan we're going to be baking this on. So pour this right in there, I guess. Yeah, not much stuck to the side, so now we are going to use this to spread it out. Yeah, that's pretty even. Okay, so. All right, so we are now going to bake this in the oven for 25 minutes or until it's lightly browned, whatever comes first, and then we will gotta clean this up a bit so I can then get ready for our main lemon bar part. So I will see you after that. Hello, and we are back. So I did have to cook it for a bit longer, but to be honest, I might have cooked it a bit too long. So we'll have to see how it works out. I did turn it up a little. I cooked it for an extra I think like 20 minutes ish. So again, just eyeball it as you need to. So now what we're going to do is we're going to beat. So we have our egg in there already. So now we're putting in our lemon zest. Our lemon juice. More of that out. And then our sugar. Now we're going to mix this together. I already pre-beat the egg, so that's why it not takes as long as it did. So now we have our, I believe it's our powdered sugar, or sorry, our 4th cup of flour and some baking powder. All right in there, and then sift it through. Normally I would use my other one, but I didn't clean it after we were done with it, so it's still very wet. So there we go. Since this is just going to be stir, we don't want to go too deep with this. So there is our mixture. Looks pretty good, I guess. Let me I'll be right back. Let me just change the camera so we can do the pouring, because I'm gonna put this right back in the oven. Okay. So as I said, it kind of did a little bit much, I think. So now we're going to pour this right on top. So now what we do is we're going to put this back in the oven for another 25 minutes. And at that point, we will see how it works out. So I will see you then. All right, so here is our lemon bars. Kind of broke up a little bit, so maybe I made it too crumbly, because if you can see there, kind of a bit too dark on the bottom, so I might have cooked it too long initially. That's probably why I did it, but oh well. Let's see how this turns out. Really good and sweet. Very, very good. I feel that, I mean, mine is a little bit of burnt that kind of counteracts it a bit, unfortunately, but other than that, it's pretty good. Personally, for me, I probably would have put just a hair more of zest and lemon juice, because you still get it, but I just want more of the lemon flavor. That's just me. I'm kind of more of a in-your-face kind of flavor kind of person. So, but yeah. So yeah, just be careful with the crust. That's all I can really say, because you got to make sure because it's also going to be baking more once it gets to the lemon bar part. So, well, hope you have a good rest of your day, and hope yours turned out good as mine. Thank you.